Hi guys! Welcome sa ASIP9. In this video, ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on factoring. In this video ay pag-aaralan natin yung factoring, difference of two squares. Bago natin aralin yung factoring, notice that if we have the binomial expressions a plus b times a minus b, pag minultiply natin to, we distribute the first term, so a times a minus a times b. And a times a is a squared. Tapos minus a times b is ab. Tapos i-distribute din natin itong second term. So that's b times a minus b times b. Ang b times a is just ab. And yung b times b ay b squared. So this is minus b squared. Ngayon, ang minus ab tsaka plus ab, pag inad natin sila, magiging 0, kaya ang matitira na lang ay a squared minus b squared. Ano ibig sabihin nito, no? Ang ibig sabihin nito, if we have an expression of the form a squared minus b squared, then we can factor it as a plus b times a minus b. Ang tawag natin dito sa a squared minus b squared is difference of two squares. Bakit siya difference of two squares? Una, difference means subtraction. So, ang operation na piniperform natin ay subtraction. And yung two squares ay yung dalawang perfect squares. Yung ating first term tsaka yung ating second term. So, pareho silang perfect squares. Now, kung titignan niyo yung pattern, para siya ma-factor, we get the square root of the first term. Tapos, i-distribute natin dito sa first term ng factors. So, ang square root ng a squared ay a. Tapos, we get the square root of the second term. Tapos, i-distribute din natin dito sa second term ng factors. And, yung operation ay yung isa plus at yung isa minus. So, if we have an expression such as p squared minus q squared, ang gagawin natin is meron tayong dalawang binomials. And then, we get the square root of p squared, which is p. Ilalagay natin doon sa first term ng dalawang factors. And then we have the square root of q squared is q. Tapos yung operations, yung isang binomial ay plus. At yung isang binomial ay minus. So these are the factors of p squared minus q squared. Again, this is difference of two squares, which means na kapag nag-factor kayo, you have to be sure that 1, the terms are perfect squares. And 2, the operation is subtraction. So, yun yung dalawang conditions na dapat makita ninyo. No? Okay, so let's have an example. Factor y squared minus 16. Ano sabi ko kanina? Dapat tignan muna natin na yung dalawang terms ay perfect squares at ang operation ay subtraction. So, yung y squared is a perfect square, yung 16 is a perfect square, at yung operation ay subtraction. So therefore, this is difference of two squares. Pwede natin siyang i-factor as a plus b times a minus b. Since pwede na natin siyang i-factor, we get the square root of the first term, which is y squared. Ano ang square root ng y squared? Y, di ba? And then we get the square root of the second term. What's the square root of 16? 4. So ilagay din natin yung 4 doon sa dalawang factors. And then yung operation, yung isa, addition, yung isa, subtraction. Example number 2. 9m squared minus 64. Perfect square ba ang 9m squared? Yes, yung 9 ay perfect squared, tsaka yung m squared ay perfect square. What about yung 64? Perfect square din siya, no? Tapos ang operation natin ay subtraction. So, difference of two squares siya. Ibig sabihin, pwede natin siyang i-factor. Ano ang square root ng 9m squared? Ang square root ng 9 ay 3. Ang square root ng m squared ay m. So 3m is the first term of the factors. What about 64? Ano ang square root ng 64? That's 8, di ba? And yung operation, yung isa addition, saka yung isa subtraction. Okay, last example, we have 49c squared minus 81d squared. Perfect squares ba yung terms? 49c squared is a perfect square. 81d squared is also a perfect square. So, pwede nating i-factor. Ano ang square root ng 49? 7. Ano ang square root ng c squared? That's c. Tapos, ano ang square root ng 81? 9. Square root ng d squared? d. Tapos yung operation natin, isang addition saka isang subtraction. So, ibig sabihin, ang factor ng 49c squared minus 81d squared ay 7c plus 9d times quantity 7c minus 9d. Okay, so that's it. Sana may natutunan kayo. We will have more examples in the next video. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe. Invite your friends. I'll see you in the next tutorial.